Ano po bang nakapag-trigger sa iyo na lumalaban? Christian, the Evangelist Makasling.
Actually, I was the one who told my father that I would fight inside the ring, and he was very happy. And that's why I want to fight in the ring because I want to build confidence and have experience because I saw my father fought inside the ring also.
Pangalawang tanong ko po, ano po ba yung mga experience niyo po na naranasan niyo po sa training niyo po in preparation sa laban niyo?
My experience inside the training is pain. You need to endure the pain, and sometimes you get scolded by your coach. And I am very slow too in the techniques. If it teach me, I cannot do it because problem during the training is I am very slow absorbing the technique. Not only in absorbing, also in the application.
Ano po yung masasabi mo sa mga young generation para ma-encourage sila na matuto din sa martial arts?
I want to encourage the young generation to train martial arts for sports, for self-defense, and to avoid drugs and vices.
Panapos po na question, ano po yung isasabi mo sa mga manonood po ng Philippine Encuentro Championship?
Support us by watching Philippine Encuentro Championship.
Anong masasabi mo sa iyong opponent?
To my opponent, see you in the ring.